Hello, guys. My name is Sakwade. In this video, I will walk you through step-by-step process of logging in with your Gmail account using your Android phone. So to start, this is my Android phone. So to log in with your Gmail accounts, first scroll through your Android apps. Then you click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on accounts. And then you click add accounts. This will enable you to add your Gmail account to your Android phone. Click on add and click on Google. If you have enabled lock, you lock it. After that, you type in your Gmail accounts. Click next. Made mistake. Click on next. After that, input your password. Click next to access your Gmail web portal. So if you have enabled two-way authentication, you get a pop-up message to authorize your login on your phone. If you have enabled two-way authentication, I enable it. I click yes on my phone. This will allow me to access my Gmail. If you have used phone number as your two-way step of verification, it will prompt you to enter a short code sent by Google onto your phone so that you can copy it and paste it in the code tab. This will allow you to access your Gmail. To find the short code, you go to messages on your phone, then you copy the short code, then you paste it. This again, if you have enabled through authentication, it will prompt you to tap yes to access your email, or if not, you can try another way. Click and try another way. You can use phone number to get a verification code. You paste it from your phone number messages, the verification tab. This will allow you to access your Gmail web portal on your phone. Now you click agree to terms logo using your Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. More information in the description. Click on link to the post. Find more information on how you can use your phone to access your Gmail accounts. Click on option by clicking that bell icon to receive a notification anytime we upload new. Thank you.